Good morning, children. So, I'm going to take English for you. So, if you have English textbook, please take your English textbook and open page number 99. Okay, children. So, I think all of you opened page number 99. This is Unit 7, Prose, Collie and the Rat Snake. Okay, children. So, I am going to read. Listen carefully. A chart showing different animals can be brought to class and displayed. The teacher can talk to the children about observing nature and living in harmony with it. The poem can be read to children, and the children could be asked to make sounds like the sounds of animals mentioned in the poem. Listen to the poem on different animals and their songs. Listening activity. So the if I met. So the poem is if I met. If I met a crow, I should say ka ka. If I met a lamb, I should say ba ba. If I met a cow, I should say moo moo. If I met a dove, I should say bo coo. If I met a dog, I should say bow wow. If I met a cat, I should say meow. If I met a crocodile, what should I say? Why nothing at all? I should just run away. So, this author is a poem who has written this poem. He is saying that if he wants to meet a crow, he must say ka ka, means the sound made by a crow. And next is if we met a lamb, we should say Baba. So the lamb will say Baba, no sound that is. And next if we met a cow, he must say Moo Moo, the sound of a cow. And next if we met a dove, the dove will say what it will say? Boo, coo, it will say no. So like that this author also must say. And next if we meet a dog, he must say bow bow. So the dog will shout bow 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 like that. He must say. And if we met a cat, how the cat will make sound, children? So meow it will make, no. So this author also will say that meow. And if we met a crocodile, what we must do, children? So we can stand near it, no. So we must not do anything, just we must run away. Okay, children. So these are the sounds of the animals. Next, here there is a story about Collie and the rat snake. Collie means name of a boy and a rat snake. Now I am going to read that story. Collie walked away slowly along the forest path on his way to school. He wished it was a Sunday. He wanted to go with his father to the forest and look for different kinds of snakes. His father was a famous snake charmer of a Irula tribe. Collie had joined school 2 months ago. Before that, he was roaming around in the jungle, free to do whatever he wanted. Now he felt lonely at school because he did not have a single friend. In fact, when he introduced himself to his classmates on the first day of school, everyone laughed at him for the first time in his life. Collie did not feel proud of being an Irula. He wished he could leave school, but the teacher was very kind. She praised Collie for any little work he did at school. One day, during an English class, there was a big commotion. One child was pointing a trembling finger at the roof, saying, Snake. Collie looked up and saw a snake. He understood that it was a rat snake and was harmless. He also remembered his father's word. So here, a boy named Kali, so he was walking along the forest path to the school. So he was wishing that it was a Sunday. He wanted to go with his father to the forest and look for different kinds of snakes. And his father was a snake charmer. Snake charmer means one who catches snakes. And they were Irula tribe. Irula tribe means people living together, sharing the same language, customs and religion. For them we will say Irula tribe. So this boy Collie, he had joined the school 2 months before. So before that, what he was doing, he was roaming around the jungle freely. Whatever he wanted, he was doing there. Now, in the school, 2 months before only he joined, no, he felt lonely because he had no friend at all. So, when he was introduced himself to his classmate, so all the first day, all the children laughed at him because he was in the Irula tribe. He did not feel proud of being an Irula tribe. So he wished that he wanted to leave the school, but his teacher was very kind to him and she praised Kali for any work that he was doing. So one day, what happened when the English teacher was taking the class, there was a big conversation about the children. So one child, what he done, he pointed his trembling finger at the roof saying, snake, snake. So all the children were frightened when this boy calling is there, no? So he looked up and he saw a snake and he understood that it was a rat snake because he knows what type of snake he was. Why means his father was a snake charmer. So they were catching snake and they were taking out of the teeth from the snakes. And it was harmless, means it was not biting for anyone. And he also remembered his father's words. So what his father's words were means, I'll read the lesson. Rat snakes come mistaking of the smell of humans to be that of rats. Suddenly, the snake fell down in the middle of the room. Everyone was very scared. There were screams from all the children, but Kali did not show any fear. He quickly grabbed the snake with his hand behind the snake's head. A loud cheer broke out. Everyone started chanting, Kali, Kali, Kali. Kali looked up with surprise. All the children started dragging Kali by the hand, saying, Kali, you are brave. You must sit next to me. Kali had a big grin on his face. So, what his father said means, rat snakes will come by mistake of the smell of humans to think that of the rats. So, what happened suddenly, the snake was on the roof now, it fell down in the middle of the room. So, everyone got afraid and they were shouting. The shouts were coming from all the children. But this boy named Kali was not afraid only. So, what he done, he quickly went there and he took by his hand, he took the snake with his hand behind the snake's head. So, when he took that snake in his hand, what was going there means all the children shouted. So, what they shouted? Kali, Kali, Kali. So, all the children were chanting Kali, Kali, Kali. So, Kali, he was looking surprised. Why they are saying Kali, Kali means? So, all the children started dragging him, means pulling his hand and saying that Kali, you are a brave boy, you must sit near me, near me. So, all the children were saying like that. So, suddenly Kali's face was broad and he got a smile on his face. So why the children started saying like that means that Kali, that boy, he was not afraid of the snake. He suddenly went there near the snake and he kept his hand on the behind the snake's head and he took with his hand. Next, after school, he went home and told everyone, his parents and brothers, about the snake and how he had caught it. His family was proud of his fearlessness. They felt happy that Kali came back home in a cheerful mood. The next day, Kali woke up much earlier than usual and got ready to go to school to meet all his new friends. So after his school, he came back home and he told for everyone, for his father, mother, brother, and his friends that he caught a snake in the school and his family was proud because why means he was not afraid at all. So they felt very happy that Kali came back home with a happy mood and next day Kali got up early and washed his face and all, and he got ready to go to school to meet all his new friends. Okay children, next new words. Tribe. Tribe means a group of people living together, sharing the same language, customs, religion, etc. Next trembling. Trembling means shaking. Next grin. Grin means broad smile. Next commotion means noise, confusion. Okay children, next here they given tick the right answer. First one, Kali had joined the school 2 years ago. They given 3 options: 2 years ago, 2 months ago, 2 weeks ago. So which is the correct word? You must put tick mark. So when he had joined the school children, so he had joined the school 2 months ago. So for 2 months ago, you must put tick mark. So put it here. So you also put in your textbook the tick mark. Second one, Kali had 10 many no friends at school. So the correct answer is no friends. So for no friends, you must put tick mark there. Kali had no friends at school. Next third one, the children noticed the snake during history, English, music class. So when the children noticed children during the English period. So for English, you must put tick mark. Next fourth one, the snake was on the roof window bench. So it was on the roof, no children. So for the roof, you put the tick mark. Fifth one, Kali was slightly not at all afraid of the snake. So he was not afraid, no children. So you must not at all. You must put the tick mark for that. So I'll read now correct answer. Kali had joined the school 2 months ago. Second, Kali had no friends at school. Third one, the children noticed the snake during English class. Fourth one, the snake was on the roof. Next fifth one, Kali was not at all afraid of the snake. Okay children, so this was about the Kali and the snake. Okay children, any doubt children? So I think you could have understood this lesson. Shall I ask some questions children? So why was Kali not happy to go to school children? So he had no friends and all the friends were laughing of his tribal of being an irregular tribe. Next, what did Kali's father tell him about rat snakes children? Can anyone say? So his father told that rat snakes come mistaking the smell of humans to be that of the rats. Next, when did the children in the class scream? So when the snake fell down in the middle of the room, everyone in the class screamed. Next, when did they cheer Kali? So when the Kali grabbed the snake with his hand behind the snake's head, so everyone cheered Kali. Okay children. Next, what is the opposite of happy children? So happy, unhappy. First, lost. Kind, cruel. Remember, forget. Brave, scared. Okay children. So I am sending notes also. So please write the notes in the classwork neatly. Okay children. Thank you children.